Hello! Welcome to another First Contact Polymer informational video. Today, we will be talking about First Contact FC Gold Formula. Our FC Gold polymer was developed and engineered to exhibit very low adhesion on gold substrates. While our red First Contact polymer formula has been shown to be safe on gold-coated substrates through extensive testing by LIGO, FC Gold exhibits even less adhesion than our red formula and will give the best opportunity for success if the coating integrity is suspect or unknown. FC Gold's application is as simple as apply, dry, and peel. FC Gold is a new and unique designer polymer blend and solvent formulation. It has passed all test criteria and provides the excellent contamination control and removal the world has come to expect from First Contact polymer products. FC Gold exhibits approximately 1/5 the adhesion of our red formula on some gold and 1/20th the adhesion on certain electrodeposited gold coatings. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.